Today, everybody is talking about induction cooking, but for many homeowners, it still feels like a mystery. Is it better than gas? Is it just a fancy electric stove? Do you need new pans? And most important, what does it mean for your actual house? Here is the simple version. Gas heats with the flame. Traditional electric heats a burner. Then the burner heats the pan. Induction is different. It uses magnetic energy to heat the cookware directly, so the pan becomes the heat source. That is why induction can feel so fast. Water heats quickly, temperature changes happen almost instantly, and low simmering can be very controlled. For people used to slow electric burners, that can be a major upgrade. Cleanup is another reason homeowners like it. Because the glass surface is not heated like a traditional electric burner, many spills are less likely to bake onto the cooktop. You still have to clean it, but daily mess can be easier. There are safety benefits too. There is no open flame, less extra heat spilling into the kitchen, and many units can shut off when the pan is removed. That can matter for families, aging homeowners, and anyone thinking seriously about kitchen safety. But induction is not magic, and it is not right for everyone. First, your cookware has to be magnetic. A quick refrigerator magnet test usually tells you what you need to know. Cast iron usually works. Many stainless steel pans work. Older aluminum pans often will not. Second, the electrical side matters. If you are replacing a gas range, your home may need the right circuit, wiring, panel capacity, or even a service upgrade. That is why induction should be planned, not just picked from an appliance showroom. And yes, some cooks still prefer gas. They like seeing the flame and making visual adjustments. Others try induction once and never want to go back. Personal preference is real. Now, about energy savings. Induction is generally more efficient because more energy goes straight into the pan. But cooking is usually not the biggest energy load in a home, so dollar savings are often modest. Do not buy induction expecting it to slash your utility bill by itself. The bigger story is home electrification. Safety, comfort, indoor air quality, future upgrades, and how your kitchen fits into the rest of the home. Induction can be a very smart choice when the appliance, cookware, ventilation, electrical system, cabinetry, and countertop are workable.